We're doing repairs today for Galofaro. It's 86 degrees outside, July 10th. We're going to be replacing this shingle right here. I also have a control area over here, so we'll obviously come back and test these out, make sure they're good too, just to compare the before and afters of a repair and a non-repair area. Pass the camera off. I'm going to start by unsealing all the shingles and taking all the nails out. I'm also going to seal the row above it since the shingle is nailed into this row and this row as well. Alright, so it looks like the shingle goes from here to here. As you see, these nails pull straight through the shingle. Again, nail pulling straight through the shingle, so I'm unable to reuse these nail holes, making it super difficult. Pull all the way through both shingles here, so I'm gonna have to probably take off another row of shingles just to remove an individual nail. Alright, old shingles out. I'm gonna wipe these top shingles just to see if there's any degranulation yet. You can already see the granular starting to fall a little bit just by wiping them. Yeah, nothing too crazy yet. Same thing with the control area, as you see. No granulars falling off, so. Reach under here and get this last nail out. New shingle going in. I'm going to start nailing. Due to Section 902 of all building code, we must follow all manufacturer recommendations. Manufacturer states we have to drive this nail in at a 90-degree angle. So my hammer is going to have to do this and lift the shingle this high up in order for us to drive it in at a 90-degree angle. Same thing, I have to re-nail the rows above these shingles. Not allowed to reuse the same nail holes on these shingles, so I do have to come over. All right, new shingles are in. As you see, these granulars are starting to come off all the way across, and it's starting to create that crease and that tear right there, as you see. Again, creating more tears. You can even see too where these shingles have been lifted, the micro tears that are in here on the edges as well. Wipe every single shingle, and you can hear the granulars falling as I wipe. You hear them. Same thing, you hear them. That one I didn't have to lift. Same thing on this one. You can see right here, this one's tearing all the way. Right there. Starting to form that crease already. But when I come over to the control area, wipe these shingles, we don't get that same effect. The granulars aren't falling. No granulars are falling when I wipe this control area. We're going to document the pictures, take close-ups of everything, but as you see, this repair attempt has failed. If we do this 78 more times on this roof, especially in these areas where there's wind damaged shingles in the valleys, things of that nature, go over there, we're gonna have to tear open that whole valley just to replace that one shingle. Same thing with the ones by underneath the ridges. We're gonna have to tear off the ridge vent just to replace a few shingles. There's no proper way to bring this roof back to a pre-loss condition without replacing the entire thing.